welcome to Auto de Langue Story Time. Today we're going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny but very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some fruit. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. So, on Saturday, he ate through chocolate cake, ice cream, a pickle, cheese, salami, a lollipop, cherry pie, a sausage, a cupcake, and a watermelon. And that night he had a stomach ache. Ooh. But the next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through a big green leaf. And after that he felt much better. Now, he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore, and he wasn't hungry. He was a big, fat caterpillar. So, he built a small house around himself called a cocoon. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole and pushed his way out, and he became a beautiful butterfly. I hope you enjoyed the story. Goodbye. See you next time.